Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to design a Shopify shop like a pro. This is my Shopify page, and if I create a shop by default, this may not look as beautiful as you would want it to be. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design a shop like a pro. So on your Shopify store, come to the left-hand side and click on Add Apps. And then here, scroll down all the way until you come to Shopify App Store. Click on that, and it will bring you to this site where you can get all apps for your store. So you'll come at the top here and type builder, and it will load different pages that have builders. You notice we have Pagefly, landing page builder, gem pages, and all this. So the one we want is simply the Pagefly landing page builder, and it is free to install, and it does not need any coding. So you click on that Pagefly landing, and then this will require you to install. And if you scroll down here, you can read more details about it. And currently it's free to install down here. So at the top here, click on install. And what this will do, it will install the Pagefly page builder onto your Shopify store. So after that, just click on install app again at the top here. And with that, you notice now at the top here, we have a Pagefly page builder installed. And then you notice we have the theme disabled, UI optimization disabled, and you can enable all these on this upper side. So when you come to apps on the bottom left corner, you notice we have the Pagefly builder where you can see its dashboard, which is currently what we have. Then we have pages, sections, analytics, extra functions, and preferences. So you notice by just adding this Pagefly page builder, you have all this. So to build a page or to design a page like a pro, click on pages. And what that will do, it will bring you to this site now here. You notice you can create a blank page or you can create from a template. We want to create from a template because it makes your work so easy, and these templates are fully customizable. So you click on create from template, and then you notice now you select what do you want to create. Do you want to create a regular homepage, product, or a collection, or a blog post? You want, for instance, to create a homepage. So I'll click on homepage, and here you select depending on what you want to create. So I'll click on homepage, and now it brings me to this site where I have all these templates which are fully editable. And at the top here, you can now decide to use the filter so that you can narrow down to what you want. So the type you want, you notice, I want a page maybe about us, a landing page, a contact page, a home page, or a product page. So I want a home page, so I'll click on that. Then I'll go to industry. And so for industry, again, I select what fits what I need. So is it about art, music, clothing, whatever it is, you will select yours here. So I'll select clothing. And then you can now select style. Do you want it to be cheerful, elegant, energetic, professional? So whichever you want, you select here. You notice it narrows down. If I select minimalist also and antique professional, you notice I don't have any for minimalist. So you select the ones that you would want. So I'll select cheerful. And then the feature here, you can select the feature in terms of either contact form, countdown, the features that you want on that. So I'll select collection list, I'll select contact form. So you select the ones that you would want. So that's how you do it. You can even add a countdown timer on your Shopify page. So you notice you can add so many things. You can even add a Google map. You notice we can do that. You notice we can add Instagram feed. We can add product details. All this, you can select the features that you would want on your page. Then you can look for the collection, either app integration or holiday theme. Once you have done all the filters, you notice now you have a few templates to use. But if you want to explore all the filters, you just click on clear all, so that now you have access to all the templates, and you'll now just be selecting the one that you would want. So let's come to the top here, and I'll select this first template. So you can click on preview to preview it, but I'll just click on select so that I can use it. And so by clicking on that, you notice we have it here. It's untitled. You can edit the title page here. So I'll call this one Joe Shop. Now this will be our page created like a pro. You notice it has all the designs here. You notice we can edit all this. So if I scroll down, you notice we have all this, and we can edit all that. So at the top here, design your teeth to define your look. I want this one to read, welcome to Joe Shop. So you notice it is so easy to change all this. So I want that to look that way. Come to the right hand side and change the text color. I want that to be in red. You can change that and click on save. You can cancel if you don't want to save. And then you can now even change the pictures here. So you notice we have our picture here. We can click on clear, but we can also select a different picture. So if I click on select, you notice now I can select the image from URL, or even I can upload from the computer. So I can just click from the computer. Then I'll go to my PC and then just select an image. And so that's how you change your images there. So you can even clear an image if you don't want it. You notice now I've just clicked on clear, then I can clear that image. And then down here, just like we edited at the top, you can do all the editing. You can decide on the number of sections at the top here, the rows, the columns, the images. So you notice this is now a very professional looking page. And if you scroll down here at the end, you notice we even have the newsletter part where you can also edit. Maybe I want this to just read this way, read our newsletter. Then I just want it to sound like that. Then we can add links to our Facebook, to our Instagram, to our X or Twitter, to our TikTok, Pinterest. We can add all the details down here. So notice now we have a very professional looking page here, created within minutes just by using a template. You can also resize the columns here. You can move the columns. You can delete. For instance, let's say I want to delete the whole of this, our tea collection. I can just click on delete. I can just click on delete at the top there. You notice now that has been deleted. How it works, maybe I want to move this. I can drag it and drop it there. So you notice now how it works is at the top. And so you notice it's so easy to just create a professional looking store page like a pro on Shopify. And that is how you do that. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.